Hi, this is Ellen from Confessions of an Overworked Mom. This video has been brought to you by National Arbor Day Foundation Tree Nursery. So I just wanted to talk to you today a bit about planting this saucer magnolia tree. It's absolutely stunning. You can head over to their website right now and check out how beautiful this thing is going to be in the spring. And I just wanted to walk you through briefly how to plant it. So first, I dug a nice deep hole. That's the very first step. Then you want to make sure that you plant the tree carefully. It comes in a pot. Since this is a potted tree, it'll need to be removed from the pot if you want to plant it. And in our climate, that's something that we need to do. If you're in a warmer climate where you don't have such hard winters, you may not need to do that. So plant it in your hole that you dug and cover it back up with the soil that you removed from the hole. You want to make sure that you use support on your tree so that it stands straight and it doesn't get pushed to one side or the other when it tries to get added light or damaged when you're mowing the lawn. Just put in all the dirt that you need. You can cover it up with a layer of mulch later on to keep the weeds down if you like. I'm not a big fan of weeds, so I like to use lots of mulch. And if you head over to their website right now, you can use the code OverworkedMom to save $9 on your shipping fees. You'll find a link to do that in my Instagram bio or here in the text of the video. When you're done, just make sure you water it and make sure it stays watered regularly so it doesn't dry out. And that's all there is. Thanks.